You want me to stand up or?
No, it's cool, man.
Okay. What's going on, man? How you doing?
Wait, okay.
So, what you got? What you want?
Just give me a story, man. Okay, you wanna say your name first, then after that you wanna say like how you started, like that time you were saying that you quit your job and everything else, and like the past and then the current situation now and what you intend to do, man. Like just share a motivating story, man.
Okay, I'll give you a quick one. So my name is Willie Hunter from Michigan, from Detroit, Michigan. So what happened was one day I got up one day and my daughter told me one day, she was like, I'm hungry, and I had a job but I didn't have any money, and it hurt my feelings and it made me feel some kind of way. So literally like 2 weeks later, I quit my job and I started doing digital marketing. And literally within like the first month, I got my client. And after that, man, it's been like straight up and up and up and up. So I quit my job with no clients, and it was like the hardest thing ever. You know what I'm saying? So when I moved back to Michigan, I had about $20 in my pocket. And I was like, I had to survive for like a whole week with like $20, which was, it was crazy, it was super hard. But I made it happen. And now it's like just ramping up success and like meeting like a lot of people and just staying dedicated. Like you got to be out here every day. Like if you're not out here every day trying to make stuff happen, it's not going to happen for you. So when I wanted clients, I couldn't get them because they didn't know who I was. So I went out every day and I made it happen. And now I'm like very happy of the results I'm getting. So I know I can grow more. And I want to get back and teach. So when people like, I can't do it, you can. I'm telling you, I'm a living proof. Like I got 3 daughters, you know, and I'm a high school dropout. I dropped out at the 9th grade, and man, it was rough, you know, but I knew it was something better in life, and that's when I went after it. And like I met Joe Soto personally now, and cool guy, and I met a couple other people, and like I say, man, like it's just been very motivational, man. Like it's just nonstop, like just staying on the grind, man. It was rough, but now I'm like really starting to see traction. So just believe it can happen. It can happen overnight. Believe it.
Alright, nice.